Hello, in this lecture we are going to discuss the Matlab environment, the interface. So let's begin. So here you can see after downloading Matlab we will get this type of interface, and on the top you can see we have got multiple tabs containing different tools like home, plots, apps, and here you can see we have got the command window. The command window is a space where we have to type the code and instantly we will get the results. And here on the left you can see we have got the current folder section where the Matlab is installed. All the directories are shown over here, and you can also create your folder where the files are saved, the Matlab files are saved. At the bottom of this current folder we have got the workspace, and in workspace all the variables that we are going to introduce in the command window will be saved over here along with their values. So for example, I type x equal to 2, I press enter, and here you can see in the workspace we have got the variable x, and the variable has assigned a value that is 2. So here we have got the three major windows, and more windows like command history can also be added on this screen. So here on the top you can see in the panel, on the panel we have got multiple tools which we can use, and the first one we have got is the new script. New script is used to create or save a new file on which you put all the codes together. So new script is very essential and important tool in the Matlab. So you can see in the command window that we are putting all the codes and we got the instant results. Like I gave you another example, like if I type a equal to 3 and b equal to 4, and I type c equal to a plus b, you can see we have got the instant result, that is c equal to 7. But the new script is little bit more different than command window. Like in the new script we are going to put all the codes together and then we will finally execute that program, not get the instant result like in command window. So let's see how to use this new script. So I click on it. So here you can see a file is generated with extension m. So this is also called m file. This m file can be saved wherever you want in any directory. The difference between the m file or the new script with this command window is very simple, that we are going to put multiple lines of code and then we will finally execute the program and we will get the result in the command window. Here I type a equal to 8, enter, b equal to 5, and then c equal to a minus b, and that's it. So now I will execute this program. Now it is asking me to save the file, so I select the desktop and enter the name of the file, test, and now I will select the add to path, and you can see that we have got the result 3. So you can see that the test file is executed in the command window and it has generated the result 3. So